In the spring of 2022, part of our family attempted the first of hopefully many to come overland adventures. This one was to Baja, Mexico. Our plan was to travel all the way to the southern tip of Baja and then come right back up. Join us as we travel for days just to get to the U.S.-Mexico border and all the adventures along the way. Utah at a very strange Airbnb place. It's kind of like a hotel or a motel, but they're brand new Airbnbs. So we are here, and I'm just trying to be quiet because there's other people sleeping still. It's kind of early. Anyway, there's the mountains, Utah. We did pretty well yesterday. A little slow, just mod is pretty heavy. It's here, right there. So she just can't really, she can do about 65 miles an hour, so that's about good. We have about 4.5 hours today to go to Vegas to stay at my sister's for a day and a half. But that is where we are. It's a beautiful, cloudy day. Bye.
It's like one day of such bad weather,
yeah,
and it's all warm the next week.
Oh, yeah. Well, at least it's your travel, like, you're made of.
Once we landed in Las Vegas, we had a great time catching up with my sister Michelle and her partner Spencer and celebrating Avery's 17th birthday. We also got a couple of fun hikes in, and then on the way to the border we decided to make a quick detour and see the Hoover Dam. With the kids being homeschooled, it's a great way to learn new things.
So we are at Red Rock, I think, State Park. We're in Vegas, and we're kind of going for a hike. We're heading out tomorrow, so we thought we'd come out for a hike right now. And hikes for more of the driving, but it's really pretty in here. So I'm taking pictures. Part of the adventure, talking with some people in the parking lot. Hopefully they love the truck, love mod, and will start following us as well, so that's cool. It's fun doing these kinds of trips because we're meeting people honking all on the highway and waving and saying hi and stopping at truck stops. A trucker stopped me.
At least you didn't have to.
Well, I mean, this is a major security risk, right? So, like, someone blows this up. I mean,
Vegas is gone.
Well, not just Vegas. It's like Hoover Dam feeds water not just to Vegas, but like down to California and stuff.
So if you poison it, then
blow it up. are heading to California to hit the border. There's Eric. Girls are up ahead of us, but we decided to take a little detour to the Hoover Dam because what's the point on being on a road trip on an adventure without seeing some of the incredible sights? And part of this is for our two youngest kids is that it's educational. So and the Hoover Dam is what could be more educational than going to the Hoover Dam. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. There's like one side over there, and then we're like way over that way, the other side. So anyway, that's what we're doing. And then we got another 5.5 hours to our KOA down near the border of Mexico. So here's the dam.
No outlets though.
All right, video work. So you guys are in 2 states. That's crazy.
2 different time zones.
2 different time zones. Did you feel the jet lag? After seeing the Hoover Dam, we continued southwest into California to get to our KOA near the border at Tecate. Along the way, we were blown away by the incredible imperial sand dunes in Southern California. Needless to say, it's on our list of places to come and visit. Everybody, we are in Southern California at a KOA. Last night we got in late. There's Mod. We got in a little later because we stopped. I showed you that we stopped at Hoover Dam, and that just kind of threw us through our time schedule to get in at a decent time, like one in the daylight, and then we stopped at the Imperial Sand Dunes. Really quick, just to get some pictures and the video there. So I prayed the whole time because sorry, Kristen, the family was kind of just like, we were just tired, and it was hot, and so I was just praying that maybe they would have a cabin available, and I convinced because we were gonna camp last night, and I'm not opposed to staying in a cabin. So we love camping, can't wait to camp tonight. But anyway, we stayed at KOA, we got over to Mexicali quick and run to a Walmart. We got a few things that we've forgotten, and then make our way back southwest a little bit to the Guadalupe Canyon Hot Springs, which is where we are camping tonight, which is kind of in the center where it's going on. So cheers, we will keep you posted. Can't wait to do videos when we get back. But anyway, that's what's going on.